As India shifts gear towards a sustainable future, the electric vehicles EV market is gaining momentum. One of the most popular modes of public transportation in India is auto rickshaw are also going electric. In this article, we will explore the top 5 electric auto rickshaw available in India, which is 2024, their features and their benefits and range, etc. First is Kinetic Green Zing auto rickshaw. The Kinetic Zinc Green Zing is a popular choice among the electric auto rickshaw driver in India. It offers 120 km of range on a single charge. It offers ample power of efficiency. Its robust design and comfortable seating make it a favorite among the passengers. Second is Mahindra e-Alpha. Mahindra's e-Alpha is a game changer in the electric auto rickshaw market. Its advanced battery technology provides a long range 140 km on a single charge, and it offers a sleek design makes it stylish for the drivers and customers. Third is Piaggio Ape-Xe Extra. Piaggio Ape-E Extra. Piaggio Ape-E Extra is a reliable and efficient auto electric rickshaw available in India. It is connected with powerful electric motors and advanced battery technology, provide a 130 km range, making it an excellent choice for daily use. At the number 4 is Tata Motors Ultra EV auto rickshaw. Tata Motors recently launched their three-wheeler and they enter the first electric auto rickshaw is Tata Motors Ultra EV auto rickshaw. Tata Motors Ultra EV is a revolution electric auto rickshaw. Advanced features such as regenerative braking and range 150 km make it top choice among the drivers. Top 5 is Okinawa Ridge. Okinawa Ridge is a popular electric auto rickshaw known for its sleek design and advanced features. Its range is 120 km and its powerful battery technology make it reliable choice for drivers. Conclusion: India electric auto rickshaw market is rapidly growing and these top 5 electric rickshaws are leading the charge. With their advanced features, robust design and eco-friendly technology, they are revolutionizing public transport in India. Whether we are a driver or a passenger, these electric auto rickshaws are an excellent choice for the sustainable and comfortable ride.